The next iPhones won't arrive until this fall, but a new report has revealed that a new, much brighter display could be in the offing for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, 20% brighter than the current iPhone 15 Pro. According to Weibo leaker Instant Digital, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will have a display with a peak brightness of 1,200 nits in typical use, compared to the 1,000 nits found on the iPhone 15 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro also offers a peak brightness of 1,600 nits for HDR content, and it's thought that the next models will match this HDR brightness. Instant Digital has a decent track record that included a recent report that the iPad Pro would have a nano texture glass option, and that the front-facing camera would be on the landscape edge. These brightness levels are important, especially for users who tend to look at their phones outdoors. We can all identify with seeing screens too dim to make out in sunlight, especially through sunglasses. Microsoft will pay a hefty $242 million fine for patent infringement in a lawsuit related to the company's virtual assistant, Cortana. According to the jury verdict, Microsoft's technology violated a patent owned by IPA Technologies, a subsidiary of Wyland. The lawsuit centered on voice recognition technology used in Cortana. IPA claimed that Microsoft's virtual assistant infringed on a patent acquired from SRI International Siri Incorporated, the developers behind Apple's Siri virtual assistant. This isn't IPA's first patent lawsuit against tech giants. Previously, they sued both Google and Amazon for alleged infringements of similar patents. While Amazon successfully defended itself in 2021, the case against Google continues. Microsoft plans to appeal the decision.
Google doesn't tend to slack off for long when it comes to Google Maps updates, and users are spotting two new tweaks that have been quietly introduced in the Android app, covering electric vehicle navigation and identifying particular roads. First up is the EV charging. As spotted by Smart Droid in the Android app, you can see nearby charging stations with a tap on the relevant filter button underneath the main search bar at the top of the screen. You need to have your car set as an electric car to see it though, which you can do from the Your Vehicle option in Google Maps settings. Gas is the default vehicle type. A similar update was applied to Android Auto last year, so it now seems to have made its way to the Android app as well. The second Google Maps tweak will show you the entire length of a road highlighted in blue when you search for it. Previously, you just got a pin stuck in the middle of the road to help you find your way to it. This gives you a bit of a better idea of the extent of a road you're looking for. Samsung plans to use AI technology to improve the battery performance of its phones. The company is reportedly working on a feature called Battery AI that can increase the battery life by up to 10%. The new tech could debut with the Galaxy S25 series next year. It appears to be a service designed to improve battery life by intelligently managing various system processes so it doesn't affect the performance. Samsung could bake the feature into One UI as part of Galaxy. Battery-saving software tools aren't a new concept. They have been around for a long time, including on Galaxy phones. However, these tools usually achieve the goal by limiting the CPU and GPU performance. Samsung's upcoming Battery AI tool may be based on new concepts. Expected to arrive in early 2025, the Galaxy S25 series may bring more new AI features. Apple and OpenAI are reportedly close to striking a deal allowing the AI startup company to use features in the next major iPhone update. As Bloomberg reported, the deal would allow Apple to use ChatGPT features in iOS 18, the iPhone's next major software update. Gurman also reports that Apple has held ongoing discussions with Google to license the company's chatbot Gemini. Tim Cook reiterated AI implementation in an earnings call earlier this month, claiming that the company believes in the transformative power and promise of AI, and that its advantages will differentiate Apple in this new era. Despite Apple's tight lip on how it will implement AI, reports claim that the company has been spending millions of dollars to train its AI models. Additionally, Bloomberg reported in March that Apple might open its ecosystem, allowing AI developers to potentially build a generative AI system deep into the iPhone. Like and follow for more.